Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna fix something that I've been having issues with on the Jeep. So I don't know if you guys have the Trailforged steering kit. I have the Heim steering kit, and for some reason the jam nuts on the tie rod end up getting loose, and I crank down on them so I know they're tight. I don't leave them loose, and over time they do get loose. So Chris had the idea to put on some thread locker on there. I don't know if this is something we should do. You guys leave in the comments down below. And also, if you have this issue, I want to know, like, is that normal, or I don't know. If you guys have this issue, let me know if that's normal. I don't think it is. It shouldn't get loose over time. And I haven't even taken it off-road. This is just street driving under 50 miles an hour. So we're gonna put thread locker, and hopefully that fixes the issue. I just hand tightened it earlier just so I could drive it around town, but honestly they just keep getting loose. Like, it's not, I just hand tighten it with the wheel on so I can't get a good grip on there. So we're gonna remove the tire and tighten each side one by one, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Like I said, for some reason these jam nuts, they get loose, so I'm gonna throw on some thread locker. Hopefully that fixes the issue. And I know it's gonna throw off the alignment since this thing keeps dropping down. So we're gonna see where we can put it.
Right there?
No, not this, like the bar.
Oh.
Okay. So you hold, that's probably too big. Hold it up like right, no, that's too much. Like right there. Hold on, ready? 3.
Well, you gotta have that Heim down, no?
No, it's okay. Go for it. Go for it. Okay. Hopefully the Loctite helps it and doesn't mess anything up in there. But let's do it one more time just to be sure that it's tight.
Put it on the metric side.
Metric side. Ready? 3, 2.
There it is.
So that's tight on there. So I'm hoping that fixes it and it doesn't get loose again. All right, so we got this side done. I don't know why it keeps happening, but what are you doing?
I'm sanding it.
Let me record first. Damn. I'm kidding. Yeah, so I don't know why they keep getting loose, but hopefully doing this doesn't damage anything and it actually helps it stay in place and doesn't get loose. Like I said, I haven't even gone off-roading and it still does it, so hopefully that's not a common issue. And I know I'm cranking down on these, so I don't know what could cause that. There it is. What do you guys think? Will it actually hold, or will it get loose again? I don't know. Hopefully that does it. Hopefully my alignment isn't out of whack again. I honestly think this is probably the 3rd or 4th time that this happens, so definitely not a good thing. My worry with the thread locker is getting into here and the hydrant getting stuck in there.
It's blue thread locker, so it doesn't, like, you don't need an impact or anything to take it off.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
The last thing left is to tighten these up to torque spec. Seems about right.
What is that?
That's like 5. All right, so the wheels are good to go now. Hopefully everything's good and doesn't come apart again. Another issue I've been having, I don't know if it's common on Jeeps, but when I hit the alarm, that side turns on. This side turns on, but this side doesn't. So I'm pretty sure it's like a ground issue. They still turn on with like the blinkers, so I don't know what it could be. I'm guessing ground issue because it does still turn yellow when I do the blinker and all that. So I don't know. We'll have to check that out, but not today. So that'll be it for today's video. I know it was short, but it's something that I had to do, and I thought I should share to see if maybe you guys were having some similar issues or something related, and so you get your guys' opinion on putting the thread locker on there. I don't know if I should do that or not. It might make it a little bit tougher to get the Heim joint out if I need to adjust it, but honestly, if that's gonna hold the jam nuts in place, I'll do it. Why not? And check your jam nuts. That's like super important. You can actually mess up your parts if you don't tighten up the jam nuts, because then the threads are loose and it could actually wallow out the inside of the parts, whether it's control arms, track bar, tie rod, whatever it is, it can mess it up. So always check your jam nuts, especially when you go off-roading. And it's weird for me because I really haven't been. It's been street driving mainly, so I don't know what could cause it. With that being said, check out NajarOffroad.com. Support the channel buying a shirt, stickers, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.